Hello YouTube, it's Magma Rhino, and today I'm bringing you a quick review of the SlideIT keyboard. This is a $5 keyboard that can be purchased, and it's made specifically for tablets. Can be used on Android phones too. It's a different version that gets installed. But I'm just going to be reviewing it for like a tablet interface. So I have it freshly reinstalled right here. So this is what you will see when you first install it. Just some information. It's telling you to enable it. Hit that button, you can go SlideIT keyboard, enable, then go back to this so it recognizes that it's been enabled. Select it, and it brings you to this page. Now on this page there isn't much you can do. You can change the language. It's got all sorts of languages built in. You just have to download whichever language you want. It has skins. The default skin looks the best. I'll show you what they all look like. This is the default skin. Then there's the classic one, which just isn't as it's not 3D. And then this one. So whichever you like the best, just use. This one, it looks the cleanest. It's got shading and stuff, so I like that. It's got a tutorial. I haven't actually watched it. I really doubt it could help much because you're sliding to use it. It's simple. Change log, help, and then the settings. This is the main customization area. It's got the skin again, and it's got a bunch of options for while you're typing. It's got shortcuts, which I'm not sure exactly how they work, but you type in, say, BRB, as in be right back, and maybe you have to enable them. I'm not sure. I've tried typing in BRB to see what happens, and it just left it at that. I don't know if it is supposed to change it to the words, like written out, or not. But anyway, it's also got notifications. I think that is as in like touch feedback, like when you touch a key if it's going to make noise. I don't know why they put notification. Then the tutorial help and change log again. Here you can do more advanced stuff. You could change the trail. I like to have mine shorter. You could change the long press duration. I like to keep that short, so if you're doing numbers, you can just hold it for a short amount of time instead of the default half second. Other than that, that's pretty much all you can change. You can have a secondary language. There's the language packs again. That's about it. So now I'm going to go to the actual keyboard itself. I'll just go right here. So it pops up pretty quick now. If you watched my last video, which was a review of a quick overview, I should say, of 4 different keyboards. It wouldn't load at first, but I fixed that. So here, you can either change the setting to the sliding or ABC. So ABC would just be normal typing. You can't slide your finger. It actually gives you a little pop-up saying you can't slide in this mode. And then you got the sliding mode where you can slide it around. Typing's really easy. You just go from letter to letter to letter, letter to letter. Doesn't have to be exact, but what I like about this is if you're nowhere close, it'll just give you a little question mark. It's not going to make up some random guess that you don't want and you have to delete. Here, there is the little icons in the upper right corner. I don't know if you can see them quite clearly. Okay, that's just blurry. Sorry about that. But there are little icons. The top is a number row. Then you got your symbols on the other 2 rows. And this was the long press duration before that I changed. It's when you hold your finger, how long it takes to go to that second icon. So I made it so it's pretty quick. So it's really easy to type in numbers without having an extra row. So you get more room for your keys, and you get the almost designated number row. In your symbols, you get all of them. You can cut, copy, paste in here, and you can go right to your settings. Not sure what that button does, quite honestly. I think that... I really don't know. I haven't used that button ever. And then you get all your smileys. It's got both versions, which I like, because some, they'll just do the ones with the nose. But I don't like having a nose. I like doing this one. So it actually has that there. It's got the speech recognition, so if I want to say Sally went to the mall. Sally went to the mall. There it is. So that works good too, but that's not actually like the apps work. That's Google's voice recognition, but it's still usable and it works good. Your go button, it can also be used to hide the keyboard quickly if you hold it down. So I know it's kind of a pain sometimes to hit the button because it's pretty small in the corner. So there, you can just hold down the big go button. The only disadvantage I find to this, oh jeez, lightning storm out there, is that if you're typing something and you have a word like A or I, you have to go like, blah blah blah. Normally it'll add a space automatically. But say you want to hit A, you have to hit space, A, space, and then go back to typing. It's not that much of a pain. I mean, it's like normal typing for a second. You just got to get used to that and know when you have to use spaces and not use spaces. Usually you don't, because it'll do it on its own. It'll just add the spaces right in between your words. So it's extremely easy to use. It is a really, really great keyboard, and I would highly recommend it for only $5. That's about it right now. So I will be bringing more videos of app reviews. I'm probably going to bring some more of my like top apps. Like I did another video of my favorite free apps. I might do one of my favorite paid apps. I don't have many paid, but I'll probably be getting more. I'll also probably do like favorite widgets, who knows. I will cover this tablet and the Android interface as much in depth as I can, so that if you're watching this video and you had some tiny little question that nobody else has answered, hopefully I have answered it for you and helps you make your choice as to whether you're going to get a tablet or not, any of that stuff. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll be bringing more stuff soon, so thanks for watching.